I'm Tony McKeith from Busanga Safaris. For many years now, Busanga Safaris has created set days and tailor-made safaris to fantastic wildlife in some wonderfully wild places, and that remains very much at the heart of what we do. However, for some guests, there is also the chance to go a step further and become involved in real conservation work in a much more direct way. Alongside our wildlife journeys, I can help arrange conservation safaris built around genuine wildlife management projects. Working with a small team of highly experienced wildlife people closely involved in these operations, these projects are linked to real conservation needs on the ground, and they give guests the opportunity to be properly hands-on. That may mean being there as animals are located and monitored, helping to hold ropes on a giraffe during a move, counting the vital signs of a lion whilst it's under sedation, or sitting with vets, pilots and wildlife managers as decisions are made. Always the level of involvement is guided by what is safe, what is appropriate, and above all, what is best for the wildlife. These projects are driven by conservation and by available funding. There are usually more worthwhile projects than there is money to carry them out. One example that we've been involved in recently involves the relocation of a lion in South Africa, where the aim is to strengthen a gene pool and support a long-term health of a wider population. A guest joining that safari would be there close to the action throughout, from tracking, sedation, monitoring and the transfer. And yes, they will be on the plane with the lion itself. A project like that might be around $7,000 to happen. At a higher level, a contribution of $10,000 could allow 3 or 4 people to spend 4 days on safari whilst taking part in wildlife management work, such as aerial darting of elephants for collaring and rhino for collaring and dehorning. This helps protect vulnerable species, improves monitoring and reduces human-wildlife conflict. The work we help facilitate is connected to community and conservation landscapes, and the donations involved are not for profit. Usually it begins with a conversation. Tell me what sort of wildlife or conservation work interests you, when you may be free to travel, and the sort of budget or contribution you have in mind. From there, I can suggest projects where your involvement and funding can make the greatest difference. Email me at tony@busangasafaris.com.